Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the night stream where we talk about gaming news, pop culture, and anything else that's entertaining. I really wanted to check out this tech demo from Unreal 5. It's the Hellblade 2 Senua's Saga. They say it's the official Unreal Engine 5 metahuman demo, but maybe, just maybe, we're going to get a sequel to Senua's Sacrifice, because that game was phenomenal. So let's check out this tech demo. It's not very long. It's actually just a minute. And I'm curious to see...
Sign, perf, cut, take 13.
I'm assuming this is all done in real time, too.
I see through your darkness now.
Look at the eyes.
I see through your lies. I will show them how to see as I do. I will not appease your gods. I will destroy them.
I mean, I'm sorry, that's just absolutely insane, guys.
Good? You like it?
And it doesn't even look like she has like the regular dots that they do, you know, for motion capture. They have a lighting setup and everything there, and a video camera to grab footage from. I mean, that's insane. That's absolutely insane. And
character is only truly believable.
I was checking this out with their real-time facial model animation demo. This is crazy. I'll show you how crazy it is. This actress is going to go and she's going to just say some lines.
Okay, and action.
I need performance capture to work like a mirror. I need it to capture whether I'm acting scared or angry. And sometimes all I need is a look.
Cut. Thanks, Mel. That was great.
So they're going to take that footage. All right. Software's converting the performance and using the audio.
John is currently scrubbing through the take to pick the section that he wants to process.
Then he's going. It's processing here. And now it's being placed here.
So that we can produce the performance in a way that paper reproduces your original performance.
Sounds cool.
Yeah. So
and then, because I don't want, I don't know how all this works. I don't want to talk over dudes, so that's why I'm bringing up certain parts.
Uses a custom epic facial solver and landmark detector.
So it's processing and everything, and so now,
Work like a mirror.
look at this. Now they take the performance and put it on the metahuman.
Excited to see the results?
I need performance capture to work like a mirror. I need it to capture whether I'm acting scared or angry. And sometimes all I need is a look.
That's insane. That's absolutely insane. Like, I got goosebumps. Not only that, they show...
In this case, our new metahuman.
They show... It just goes on multiple metahumans once it's processed.
I need performance capture to work like a mirror. I need it to capture whether I'm acting scared or angry. And sometimes all I need is a look.
So the scene take works even on stylized characters.
That's, guys, ladies and gentlemen, do you know how crazy that is? Like, I don't know. I think this is great for independent developers too. Having software and the ability to do this with ease, a lot cheaper nowadays. It seems like than what it used to be. We're in a really good treat, a really good situation, I should say, for the future of games, and making it that easy to develop something like that and to create an animation like that? I don't know. You guys tell me. Leave a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. That's some news. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.